The economy is shifting towards sharing. What once started from a social perspective is coming to the business world as well. Companies are growing more towards each other, seeking out the advantages the sharing economy has to offer. We're already quite used to sharing simple assets, but what about the more complex ones? i.Revitalise gets into the picture by providing the first B2B capacity sharing platform focused on high-tech and high-value capacities like laser cutting, 3D scanners, and climate test chambers. It is focused on 3 markets: manufacturing, maintenance, and research and development. Through the matchmaking platform, companies are able to share their valuable assets. For example, assets that are underutilized due to changing strategies. 1. If you are the owner, you can share your overcapacity with other companies, thereby generating an extra revenue stream. 2. If you are the renter, you have temporary access to a capacity without having to invest in it. Let us explain how it works. Whether you are looking to share a capacity or want to use one, services remain free until a successful match is being made. i.Revitalise also unburdens you from support activities needed to realize capacity sharing, such as transport and insurance. This way, you can focus on what truly matters to your business. Ready to set up your account and start sharing? Go to irevitalise.eu/login.